Hi, my name is Terry Nelson with Easy Step Products. I design the best universal plant support system on the market that is going to be lasting for many years. And today I'm going to explain a little bit about how our system works. All our rings and components that attach to our posts are made with a high-grade polymer with a UV stabilizer so it won't break down and become brittle in the sun. So that means you can enjoy our system for many years to come. We have 3 different size rings. We have an 8-inch ring, a 10-inch ring, and a 12-inch ring. Everybody knows about the tomato cage and how much frustration that is every season as they're putting in their garden. As you can see here, tomato cages are designed to fail. Our system isn't. You can see that over a course of maybe 1 or 2 seasons, this weld is going to break down and just break apart, and then your plant is going to be compromised. With our system, you have a solid post and easy rings that are built to last. You can continuously add more support rings as your plant grows. Our attachments will work on your post, or you can buy a complete system from Easy Step Products. If it's a temporary fence post that you get at your local hardware store, an old piece of rebar that you can use, or you can actually use a shepherd's hook. It will attach to anything that has a diameter of 3/8 all the way up to a 3/4 inch diameter. Let me show you how it attaches. Take your nut and your arm with notches facing out, tighten down, and then slide it down your rebar. And lock it in place. Next, you can take any one of your rings, and here is a 10-inch ring that you just simply wrap around the stalk of the plant and lock it in place. Another great feature about our ring system is you can actually put any ring in any order as the plant grows. You can put your 12-inch at the top, 8-inch in the center, and your 10-inch at the bottom. And the center point will always line up. If you want to rotate it, so you got a part of your plant growing over here, you can adjust your ring. By supporting your plant properly, you're keeping that plant growing upright and not allowing your fruit to touch the ground where it has potential to actually become rotten. Another great benefit of having the Easy Ring system is easy to disinfect, so you don't have cross-contamination from season after season. You can actually disinfect our ring system by putting it in the sink with hot soapy water to prevent any cross-contamination from season after season. And you can store them in just a small little area. All you need is a 12 by 12 inch box, and you can put it in this, throw it up on a shelf, and you're good to go. Compared to a tomato cage, I mean, these things are big and clumsy. So you probably would rather have this versus that. As you can see here, we have a plant that's been compromised. This pepper plant has tipped over because we actually got a ton of rain and the wind came up and just turned it right over on its side. And we got a lot of fruit on there that we want to salvage. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back up, pulling that fruit back up so we can actually keep it from rotting on the ground. And what I'm going to use here is just a cheap old piece of fence post that I found at in the back of our farm. So I'm going to step it in the ground right about here. Take the arm, the nut, put my ring on, pull the plant up, and now we got our plant back up to exactly where we need it. So this is going to keep the peppers from rotting on the ground, and we're going to see a lot more fruit come off this plant. The Easy Ring system is not just great for vegetable plants, they're great for ornamental plants or flower plants. Just like all our vegetable plants, This one here, we're just going to wrap it right around the plant, pull it back up, and lock it in place. Now we have the plant growing straight again, so we can enjoy it for the rest of the season.